name's Heather. I'm gonna teach you how to make a North Shore. First of all, we started out mixing up some strawberries and some raspberries and some mint in this here bowl. Okay, we do it a little bit like this, and we do this. And I'm not alone in this process. Come here, helper. Come here. This is my helper, Willie.
From the side.
Yeah. And what he did is he put in some of this ginger beer, some of this here ginger beer into the glasses. Yes, he did. He put it in the glasses. But right now, I'm gonna finish mixing this here strawberries, raspberries, and we're gonna make us a burro. So, when you make a burro, first thing you gotta do is you gotta put in tequila. One tequila. We gotta get 2 more. 2 tequilas. Because it ain't no party like a tequila party, right? Am I right? Am I right? You gotta spill it. You gotta spill it to make it ready. 3 tequilas. 3 tequilas. That's Trace tequila. Alright, this party ain't done yet. This party's not done. This here, this is triple sec. And to make up for all that lost tequila, that's all on this counter. You can smell it. Good Lord. I'm gonna put in 1 shot. I feel like I spilled some tequila, so I'm gonna replace that tequila with a little more.
Okay.
Hey! So here we have it. It's the final product. North Shore Burro. Adios.